Mine stuck to the plate.
Yeah, that happens.
Problem?
I can't get it off the plate.
Erica's winning.
Oh my.
All right.
Okay.
The home
I
stretch.
think that you win.
All right. Yes, we have a winner. Yay! We also have paper towels. We have a badge.
Oh, look, you get to win.
Yep.
Eric. No, this is just video.
I win.
Absolutely.
Thank you.
Okay, that was
That
the
was
pie
fun,
eating
actually.
contest. Except it wasn't exactly a full pie, it was kind of just a slice, but oh well.
Well, that's
Pie's pie.
Pie is pie.